Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you joined me today. Today we're going to make a large journaling card, and it's hashtag cathysowinghappiness video. But first, a shout out to Heather, Alice, Joe, Nancy, and Cindy, and I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, so in this video, you need to spread some happiness and let me know about it, because we all need to be spreading happiness to each other. And just give me a short version down in the bottom of the comment section, and then you will be included in the next Sunday's drawing. And what do you win? You win happy mail from me to you. And that's my way of paying it forward. Okay, you guys, so this is my journaling card. Ooh, ooh, isn't it pretty? And then I backed it with some beautiful old music paper. I sewed around the edge, I rounded the corners, and I inked it. Okay, you guys, next I would like to bring in this piece of lace that I actually sewed onto a card. Actually, it was part of this card. It was a scrap. So I would like to go ahead and get this glued down right like this. So as I'm gluing this down, I also want to invite you all to join into my channel and become a subscriber. I really would love you to be a subscriber. Help me grow my channel. So here we go. Get this down here. I think I want it up higher. Yeah, I think I want it just like that. Get this wiped up here. Okay. That's going to be very nice. Now I have a beautiful fussy cut flower. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness, I love it. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little glue here and there on it. I'm not going to use my glue stick because I'm afraid I might rip it. I'm not very good with glue sticks. They don't like me. I don't like them. I'm not spreading happiness to the glue sticks. No, I'm not. Okay. And I'm going to lift up this lace, and I'm going to get this right here on top of the lace, underneath on the lace, I mean. Let's see if I can get this straightened out here. Got a little pucker right there. There. Nope. If we get it all straightened out. I absolutely love these colors. I think they're so yummy. Yummy, yummy. And then I took a punch and I punched out some tabs out of the music paper. And I would like to, actually, I think I'm going to lift up this. And I'm going to put this right on the top here. Just like so. And I want the flower to be on top. Yes, that's the way I want it to be. Let's see if this is anywhere near the middle. Oh, I'm not sure about that. Let's see if that looks nice there. Seems like it's over to the side just a little bit. Not really. That's pretty good. That's pretty good right there. Oh my goodness. Now I think it needs a little something right here. Maybe a number. That's what it needs. How about a number 3? We'll just quickly get this cut out right like this. I don't have a punch this size, or I would have punched it out. I have a big punch and I have a little one, circle punch, but I don't have one this size. I tried earlier. I didn't have one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. Oh. Oh my goodness. So pretty. That could even be a topper. Or you could put a hinge on it and you could open it up like this, be a hinged piece. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, well, let's have our drawing for this week. Cathy's Sewing Happiness drawing, in which the winner will receive Happy Mail from me to you. Now, don't forget that I'm going to leave my email down below, and you need to send me your email so that I can send you the Happy Mail. Alrighty, who has won this week's Happy Mail? Julie Newberry. Julie Newberry has won Happy Mail from me to you, and that's my way of paying it forward. Oh, you guys, I've enjoyed this little video with you, and I hope to see you in my next video. I'll see you all soon, guys. Bye now.